Welcome to the video lecture on operation management subject. Today's session will discuss about the different methods of forecasting, or it is also called as a forecasting methodology. Okay, there are many forecasting methods available to business organizations depending on the type of the products organizations to select the appropriate techniques. There are both subjective as well as objective methods. Also, there are both simple as well as some complicated analysis. Okay, we see also discuss about definition of forecasting, and we see the different methods of forecasting. So as we know, the forecasting is nothing but the estimation of future events with respect to its timing and magnitude. Okay, all about depending on the past data, present data, I have to select the have to choose the future events. Okay. Next is most important in this today's lecture. There are three methods of forecasting. In that, the first one we have the opinion and judgmental methods. It is also called as the qualitative method forecasting technique. Second one we have the time series method, and it is also called as the quantitative method. And last one we have the least square or regressions method. See, in the today's lecture, just we discussed about the opinion and judgmental methods. A large number of forecasting techniques are available to the forecaster these days. The availability of computer programs have further easy to task the forecaster, and at the same time allows to him to go for the complicated forecasting techniques. In that, we have the first one is opinion and judgmental methods. It is also called as the qualitative technique. So these are commonly used techniques in business and industries. They are subjective methods, okay, which heavily on the past experiences and skill of people. Okay, it's mainly depending on the past experiences and skills of people. And some of the judgmental or qualitative techniques are opinion survey method, or it is also called a market research method. The opinion survey method is a relatively simple and practical method for forecasting demands, especially for new products only. So in this method, what happens? The opinions are collected from the customers, or can say prospective buyers, regarding why they buy a particular product, okay, and what they expect from the product, and so on. Okay, the sampling technique is used to survey the customers. From the information gathering, it is possible to forecast how to targeted population responds to the product. Okay, have to meet to the customers and gather this some information regarding the that product. Okay, this is most important technique in the opinion survey. You have to make this survey to the customers, collect the data from the customers, then have to plan for the forecasting. Okay, the surveying also work assigned to external agencies. Sometimes there are specializing in market research techniques. Okay, the specialized persons are required to meet the customers and gather the data. Okay, also you have the market trials method. The second one, we have the opinion and judgmental method. See, when a product concept is entirely new to the customer or market, it is very difficult to control the product. In such case, a trial or run of the new product in the market is suggested. Such a trial is like a controlled experiment in which the market area and the method of presentation are carefully selected and controlled. With trial and run method carried out to the customers, how they will reply. Okay, usually the cost of trial and run is high, but this method is recommended to consumable goods daily we using, example toothpaste, okay, shaving accessories, cosmetics, okay, software packages, okay, like that. Now next we have the most important technique, it is Delphi technique. See, this Delphi technique is also a subjective method on opinion of a few experts. This technique will be work. This method is designed in such a way that minimize the error of judgments when compared to other expert opinion methods. Okay, what happens in this technique? They prepare, the panel of experts is constituted to tackle the problem of forecasting. Okay, and these experts can be both from inside or outside the organization. Okay, and each being an expert on some aspect of the problem. And the efforts of the members of the panel, they are the coordinators in that panel, or you can say leader, that known as the coordinator. Problems that are generally addressed by this technique can be anything, or technologically or economical or social. Okay, or some we can say the problems, example you can say, when could be the petroleum reserves of the country by exhausted, okay, like that. So the coordinator prepares a questionnaire in a writing and sends it to each experts in the panel. Okay, we have the panel of experts inside the organization, outside the organization. But the role of the coordinator or leader to prepare a questionnaire is in writing, and that question should be sent to the experts in the panel. And each expert makes independent predictions, not knowing what others are predicting. Everyone should writing the answers, but they don't know which panel experts are writing answers. Then the coordinator bring the written predictions from all other experts together, edit them, then summarizing. Okay, on the basis of this all summary, the leader or coordinator writes a new set of questions and gives them to the experts. Okay, these are answered are in writing. Okay, again the coordinator edits and summarizes the answers, repeating the process until the coordinator is satisfied at the overall arrived at the experts. So that's the Delphi method. We can call it is an iterative procedure in which revisions are carried out by the experts till the coordinator get the stable response. The coordinator will get the correct response. Okay. If we say the experts which make up the Delphi panel usually have a diverse backgrounds, each contributing in a specializing way. Okay, last we have the nominal group technique. See, likely it is similar to the Delphi technique. It also comprises the panel of experts, but here they work together in a meeting to arrive at a with some discussions here. Okay, the coordinator chairs and conducts the meeting, giving a sample opportunity for everybody to speak in that meeting and answer to the questions are exposed to all. Okay, the success of the nominal group process lies clearly identifying the questions, allowing creativity and innovations, and encouraging discussion and ultimately arriving at a final answers here. Okay, same like a Delphi technique it is working, but direct meeting can be done with the experts with questions and answers. Okay, these are the some methods comes under in the opinion and judgmental methods, also be called as the uh, qualitative methods. Okay, I will stop here. Next class I will start the time series methods that we call as the quantitative methods.